Did you know that using the wrong voltage in an electrical coil can cause complete system failure, overheating, or even fire hazards? More of equipment downtime. Imagine plugging a 110-volt solenoid coil into a 220-volt circuit. It's like forcing a car to run at double its speed limit. But what if you have to use a 110-volt coil in place of a 220-volt coil? We encounter such issues on the plant floor when subsystems use other voltages than the defined control voltage. Well, today we'll show you exactly how to do it, safely and effectively. The key difference between a 110-volt and a 220-volt solenoid coil is the number of windings and the resistance. A 220-volt coil has more windings, more resistance to handle the higher voltage, while a 110-volt coil has fewer windings designed for lower voltage. It's got lower resistance when compared to a higher voltage coil. Now, if you connect a 110-volt coil directly to a 220-volt power supply, here's what will happen. The coil will overheat rapidly, leading to insulation damage, short circuits, or even a complete burnout. So how do we prevent this while still making it work? Let's dive into the solution. To safely use a 110-volt solenoid in a 220-volt system, we need to step down the voltage. Here are 3 simple and effective methods to do this. 1. Using a step-down transformer, quite a costly and bulky solution, so we will not use this. 2. Using a series resistor. Again, resistance will dissipate heat, making them less efficient for long-term use. 3. Using 2 coils in series. If you have 2 identical 110-volt solenoids, connecting them in series will split the voltage evenly, making this a simple and effective workaround. But you need to put a dummy plunger in the second coil, or else it will burn away if it won't see counter MMF. This way, your first coil over solenoid will work effectively as if it were a 220-volt coil and can be used for a long time until you arrange a spare one. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications for new videos. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to help.